guys. Hi, I'm Strud with Polar Bear Coolers, and you're about to be part of the Cooler Chronicles. Destination, Costa Rica. Let's take a look at how we're going to pack our Polar Bear Cooler for this trip. We know we want to take steaks with us, so I've put an ice pack in the bottom of this 12-pack cooler. Next we're going to take our steaks and put it on top of the ice pack in the cooler. This is frozen chip beef. It's like an ice pack, but I can eat it. Next we have a wireless thermometer, transmitter and receiver. The transmitter is going to go inside the cooler, and the receiver will tell us the temperature of the cooler throughout our journey. Next we're going to put on one more ice pack. We'll need this ice pack when we get to Costa Rica. We're going to take the 12-pack cooler I have here, and we're going to put it inside of a 24-pack cooler, because we're going to need the 24-pack cooler when we're fishing. Inside the 24-pack cooler, next to the 12-pack cooler, I'm going to pack food that I want to consume along the way. Now we have our 24-pack cooler packed with our 12-pack cooler inside of it, and all the materials we're going to need to eat along the way and when we get there. In addition to carrying on our 12-pack and 24-pack, we'll also bring along as checked luggage our backpack cooler, which now contains snorkel gear, fishing gear, and clothing. This will be an essential cooler for transporting perishables to and from our fishing expedition. Let the journey begin. As I was explaining to my buddy Bobby this morning on the way to the airport, I might be doing a little filming of the Polar Bear Cooler here and there on this trip. Bobby said he didn't mind helping out a little bit here and there, so I asked him if he wouldn't mind carrying our cooler through security. He said that would be okay. I don't know if he's going to think that after security finishes with the strip search.
There he goes through the security. Will it raise the tape?
No, it won't.
Be okay?
And this is the extent where you can record. You cannot record anything from the other side.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
We are aboard the aircraft with our Polar Bear Cooler. I want to point out that airport security did search our cooler and they were okay with everything we brought. But I have a feeling that we haven't seen the end of the searching of the cooler on this trip. The cooler is now under my seat. We packed the cooler at 6 o'clock this morning. It is now noon. The temperature in the cooler is 25 degrees. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go ask the pilot if I can fly the plane.
Is there any chance that you let me fly the aircraft next time?